Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall an app on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want to use Netflix, or maybe you don't want to use Prime Video anymore. How do you actually go ahead and uninstall an app on your Amazon Fire TV? This video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is navigate to where it says home, and then you want to grab your Amazon Fire TV stick. And let's go ahead and highlight Netflix, for example. Click on the hamburger icon on your remote. So right now it's hard to see, but it's this icon here that looks like 3 lines. So click on that. And notice how on the bottom right-hand side, it says move, more info, or uninstall. You're going to click on uninstall. So once you do that, that is going to uninstall or delete an app from your Amazon Fire TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.